Well, good morning. Welcome to another edition of Lapidary Wednesday. Now, I'm really recording part of this on Tuesday. While I have a little lapse in the weather, I'm going to start the burnishing process. You know, I'm going to clean out the those gemstones from around the world, and then I'm going to put soapy water in it, and then we'll tumble it for about one day, maybe not even a day. But until then, I think we need to get something to eat. I'm going to go hit a Buc-ee's and we'll see what we can find. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the church behind our house, take a look at the creek, well not the creek, the drainage canal. I heard the city has these two external pumps that are pumping all the water out of the drainage canal back into the main creek behind our neighborhood. Let's see what we can see. Here's the area behind our house. And I hear a siren. I don't know how well you can see this, but there's two portable, it's getting out of focus too, two portable pumps that are pumping water out of the ditch, drainage ditch, into the creek, you know, a little bit further behind. I don't really hear them running right now. We'll come back here. And that doesn't look good. And this is where all that water is getting pumped into. So we are going to end this part of the polishing stage with the gemstones from around the world. I'm going to pull everything out and wash the stones. So as you can see here, I cleaned out my barrel and I cleaned up the rocks. Sorry about the light. Obviously it's cloudy out here from all the rain, but the petrified wood still looking good. Really nice. And the blue lace agate from South Africa is looking good. All this amethyst is looking really, really nice. Found one piece that looked really nice here. And of course the rose quartz from India is looking good. Green tree agate from India is looking good. The Mexican crazy lace agate continues to polish out real nice. The carnelian from India, looking good. The quartz crystal points from, I don't know, somewhere in South America. It's coming out really nice. The Lake Superior agates, very nice. And the rutile. Again, we just don't have enough sunlight for you to see those gold little metal, whatever you call it, bands or whatever. The rutile, basically. So next step, I'm gonna put all these rocks and pellets back into the barrel and put some Tide detergent in there, close her up, and start tumbling again. Okay, here's my barrel with the gemstones from around the world, the plastic pellets, water, and of course the Tide laundry detergent. Okay, we're tumbling again. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a finished product. Well, good morning. It's Wednesday morning and we have clear blue skies, and the water down here on the drainage canal has dropped considerably. But we need to get back to our final part of our gemstone project. We're going to turn off the rock tumbler and then wash the gemstones and dry them, and we'll check them out. Okay, the stones have been washed. We'll bring them back inside and dry them up and take a look at the final product. So folks, here's the finished product. The blue lace agate came out real nice. A lot of this amethyst came out nice. This banded, nice colors here. Some of the rose quartz did real well. The Lake Superior agates from Lake Superior did well too. All this tree agate polished out just fine, and a lot of these quartz crystal points did real well too. The crazy lace agate, nice interesting designs, and then the Texas petrified wood. All this did real well except for this piece. It just didn't have enough silica. And the carnelian from India turned out real well. Now the rutile didn't turn out so good. I'm not quite sure, but I'll probably put that in the tumbler again on another batch. So guys, until next time, y'all take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.